In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up StockCharts Alerts. By the end, you'll know how to create quick price alerts and more advanced, rules-based alerts so you never miss the moves that matter. Start by opening the Alert Workbench. Log into your StockCharts account, then click your username or the menu at the top and choose your alerts. This brings you to the hub for creating and managing alerts. You'll see two main types: price alerts, which are straightforward notifications when a symbol crosses a level you set, and advanced alerts, which can watch for technical conditions like indicator crossovers or price relative to moving averages. Let's set up a price alert first. Choose Price Alert as the type, then enter the symbol you want to monitor. Decide whether you want to be notified when the price crosses above or below a specific level. Next, enter your target. You can type an exact price or use a percentage trigger, such as 2% down, if you prefer to track moves relative to the current price. A quick tip: pick levels that are meaningful to your strategy. Round numbers, recent highs or lows, or percent moves that reflect normal volatility, so you avoid getting flooded with minor alerts. Now pick how you want to be notified. You can choose email for a detailed record, SMS text if you want an immediate heads-up on the go, or a website notification banner if you're typically working inside StockCharts. Choose what suits your workflow best, then click Save Alert. From now on, StockCharts will watch that symbol and let you know the moment your condition is met. For more complex setups, switch to the Advanced Alert tab or type. In the Criteria area, designed like the Advanced Scan workbench, you can either build conditions using the Components panel or type your own scan-style criteria if you're comfortable with the syntax. For example, you might look for a moving average crossover or require price to be above a certain moving average while volume meets a threshold. You can combine multiple rules with logical operators like AND and OR to refine exactly what should trigger. Keep your logic clear and purposeful to reduce noise. Choose your notification method again and adjust scheduling options to control how often the alert checks your conditions. Give your alert a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance later. Then, save it. That's it. Your alert is live and will notify you according to the rules you defined. With both price alerts and advanced alerts in place, you'll be positioned to react quickly and confidently whenever your key criteria are met.